Okay. What have we got here? It's an animal.
It's a wild beast.
It is a wild beast. That is a white-tailed mongoose. Those are cool. It is a massive mongoose. Right, let me see if I can. You won't see it on the GoPro. It's gone. There it goes. It's a mongoose, but it's the size of like a small leopard. It's massive. Anyhow, we have picked up our trailer and now we are heading to set up camp at campsite number 4 at Wildlife Camp. Unfortunately, it is not river frontage, but can't have everything. Our influencer time is over. Now we've been just YouTuber scrubs, making videos, being poor. We've arrived at our site. Well, our site was thankfully taken by someone else, which is good because it's a bit of a crappy site back there. So the only open site is this one, which we'll see in the morning. It's a view of the river. It's a beautiful site, number 7. What? Tent is up. This basic setup takes about 10-15 minutes. It's really easy. Pop it open, sort out the beds, ready to go. And we're too tired to do anything else. We're gonna cook some omelette for dinner, but for now we're just sitting here looking at our beautiful view of Barry. Look at that. And yeah, omelette and then to bed. Andy, what do you think of this place? Is it up to scratch?
Lots of baboons around.
A lot of baboons around, yeah.
Grunting and barking. And
yeah. But generally, I think it's lovely. It's not quite as nice as the place we were for the last 5 nights. So Andy,
yeah,
how does my very plain cheese omelette compare to Chikunto cordon bleu?
it's actually pretty good.
So Wildlife Camp has got this little photographic hide. It's just 100 meters from where we're camping. Very nice with those mapanis in the background. We're on the upper level right now, but they've also got a lower level down here. There we go. Ooh. Chairs have seen better days. But look at this low angle we can get from here. Oh, so the elephants come drink just right here. We get a lovely low angle. And what's nice is because it's so close to our camp, we can actually keep an eye, and if we see elephants coming, we can quickly pop down here and grab a shot. We've just popped into town to fill up with fuel, do some shopping, and then we're going to go buy our permits at the park gate. The fuel here, they've got diesel, low sulfur diesel, and it's 30 kwacha per litre. That's about 20 rand, so it's cheaper than South Africa actually. And they do usually have card machines here, but it's broken at the moment, so we're going to have to pay cash. There's only one ATM in town, and apparently that is also not super reliable. But we did draw some cash in Lusaka, so we should be alright. After filling up with fuel, I realized I didn't have enough cash to pay for it. I had 2,000 kwacha and the bill was 3,100. The petrol attendant just said, okay, come back later, which is quite amazing. I offered to leave something of value with him and he was like, no, it's fine, you just contact me later. So I'm very impressed with how trusting he is. So now we're popping through town. It's a very cute little town and there are quite a few shops. You can get pretty much anything you need here. We're gonna buy some veg and bread and things like that, and hopefully the ATM is working. Otherwise, I don't know what we're gonna do for cash. Alright, so this is Mfuwe town. Here's shop left, which is where you can buy your basic groceries. Mayana, they got lots of frozen meat and booze and dry goods, canned goods, everything you need.
What do they have?
Peri peri.
Oh yeah.
Look, all the different. They got the hot lemon and herb and garlic, and it's only 48 kwacha, very reasonably priced. I like this shop. Our quest for cash is not going very well. The ATM will not work until the power comes on at 5 p.m. There was a lady in the restaurant there who was doing some sort of money thing, but they don't take Visa. You have to have a local bank card in order to draw from her service. She suggested we drive to the airport, so that's what we're going to do. It's only 20 k's from town, and we may as well go check it out. This is our last chance for getting cash, the Mfuwe International Airport. You can see all the guides here waiting for the clients to lock up. Let's hope they have an ATM and that it works. ATM is not working at the airport, but this kind gentleman at the curio store has agreed to charge my Visa and give me US dollars. We'll then take the US dollars to the Bureau de Change and change them to kwacha, and then we can go and pay for our fuel in town. No problems. I'm going to lose a little bit at each transaction, but it's the way it is. While we were busy making dollar arrangements, the ATM came alive again. So now I'm just withdrawing multiple times on my personal card. My business card doesn't seem to work here. And I'm just going to get as much cash as I can right now. It's still going. It just keeps giving me money, Andy. I've got so much money that my wallet can't close. But it's a lot less than it looks. This is about 4,000 Rand. But look at it. It looks good. Alright, let's go shopping. We just popped into Mulberry Mongoose, which is a jewellery store here in Mfuwe, and they make really beautiful jewellery. It's all locally made. You can see the ladies working over there, and it's all made from snares, animal snares that have been collected, and some of the proceeds goes to conservation efforts in the area. But absolutely beautiful stuff here. These are what I'm going to get for my wife, because she stays at home looking after my children while we are out here doing this sort of thing. So I think she deserves a gift. And look how pretty people look when they wear this stuff. Oh yeah.
Hi, thank you so much, Robert, for visiting us. I'm brilliant. We are famously known over creating beauty from vitality by using a snare wire. So this is a snare wire that we use. So we use different techniques. We either coil the snares like that or hammer them flat like that. So to each and every piece that we sell in here, we donate to the Zambian conservation. So since 2013 till date, we have managed to upcycle over 39,000 snare traps, and we have managed to create over 55,000 jewelries. We are super proud of ourselves because we have managed to donate over 150,000 US dollars to the anti-snare patrols. We also try by all means to use local source materials such as the guinea fowl feathers, the lucky beads, and many more to give back to the Zambian community. Thank you.
What are you doing?
Oh, I bought some, look at this freshly baked bread. It looks absolutely delicious. There.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah. That's going to be delicious.
Yes.
And now I'm just looking for some
banana. You can choose.
Okay, we are finally back. You see my bread. Finally back at the fuel station to pay for our fuel. Where's our friend? Little banana. They're okay. A little bit tasteless. I was actually really hungry. So I'm happy.
Never say so.
So I'm happy we stopped at the little market and got some fresh white bread. Not very nutritious, but it will certainly fill me up.